here are the 6 best gyms in Austin, Texas. I went on a mission for you to find the best one, and last one is the best by far, at least in my opinion. Make sure you stay to the end. And the first one obviously going to be the most affordable, all the way into my top pick, and also more high-end gyms as well along the way. Now the first one is the most affordable one out there. It's going to be Planet Fitness. About $10 a month to go to Planet Fitness. I think it's a good starting point for those who are not super huge enthusiasts for working out. And if you don't need to have free weights, great gym. There are no free weights in the gym, really entry level. If you're like trying to get into fitness and working out, this is a great spot. Everyone who's probably going there already are on the same kind of playing field. So all people trying to get into fitness. It has massage beds, it has some other stuff as well. I think it has like a pizza night, like once a week or once a month, and a bagel night as well, once a week or once a month as well for the good carbs. You get things going. That is the first one. The second gym, which I've been to a lot for a long time, was Gold's Gym. Gold's Gym is a really great gym, pretty affordable at $30 a month. And some locations here in Austin, there's about probably 7 or so, will have a pool for you, stretching areas, classes, free weights, machines, the whole 9 yards. So Gold's Gym, I think is a great entry-level place as well to get into. If you don't need to have, high-end places and stuff like that, this is perfect. Honestly, I was at Gold's Gym for probably a couple of years before I upgraded to a new one after all. And before we get too far into this, make sure you subscribe, like this channel, and also, what gym is your favorite gym here in Austin, Texas? Down below, leave some comments. What is your favorite gym here in Austin? For my favorite one I like the most in Austin, Texas. The third one, which I joined probably a couple years ago, I had now left that gym, was LA Fitness, which is kind of like an upgrade version of Gold's Gym. I was at Gold's for a long time. I only left because it didn't have a pool anymore in my location. But there's some in Lakeway, and some downtown, and South Austin, North Austin, for Gold's. LA Fitness, there are a few of them as well. I think all kind of the central chain of Austin, Texas, from north, south, central, and so forth. And great gym, has a pool, stretching areas, all the ways you probably think of. It has a sauna and a lot more. So that gym is amazing. That one's more like 50 to maybe $80 maximum, depending on the level you go into for that one. Great gym, I loved it, was there for a long time. And if you just want to have, a place to meet pretty cool people, those who like really die hard trying to work out and go there for a quick pump, this is a great place for you. So LA Fitness, the third one on the list. Now the fourth one, this is where I really started to do my research and trying to test out all the gyms here in Austin to find the best one. Now these moving forward more high-end, because for myself, being a real estate agent, I'm actually one of the top agents in the whole country, and I run a team called Elite Real Estate Group, which is currently number 1 in Lakeway, number 2 in Austin, Texas, and like top in the whole country as a team. So I wanted to find a place I can go to and meet potential clients, meet new friends, build my network up, and also have a great gym environment as well, plus amazing amenities. So my next place I went to was Onnit. Onnit is founded by Joe Rogan and Marcus Aubrey, 2 amazing entrepreneurs. Joe Rogan just moved to Austin, Texas, as you probably know. So they have one location that I know of, maybe 2, but one I know of is kind of more of a south area and some warehouse districts. And that place is amazing. I loved it, especially because it had cold plunges. That was why I was on the hunt for a new gym when I left LA Fitness. Like, where can I go? It had cold plunges, weights, and so forth. Onnit's amazing. It is super group heavy. So you want to make new friends, make connections, or build your own business. Onnit's great. People there are going there to make new friends. All super nice. I think I met more people in the 2 weeks I was there for than I have my current gym, more or less, in that time frame. I've been in my current gym now for a few months. So Onnit is great for people. Now for me, the only downfall was that they didn't have a steam room. They didn't have, as much weights that I wanted. It was definitely designed for more classes, so it had squat racks. It had a really great recovery class, which I loved to do on the weekends. But it was from hot plunges, from hot sauna room, to cold plunges, to stretching and so forth, which was amazing. They also have other sections as well for the basketball courts. They have, massage, compression legs, and that's kind of the main thing there. Plus massage guidance too. And if you want to upgrade your services, you can do a la carte. You can buy, a massage therapist for an hour or longer, or you can even go up and buy, IV injections as well for more vitamins. So Onnit is an amazing gym, all about wellness. It's definitely more functional weights and more primal weights. You get the big, axes and sledgehammers and so forth. They make your workouts more explosive. And again, I'm going more for, a superhero physique or Greek god physique, if you will. So I'm gonna have more functional machines that actually can help you focus on certain aspects. So Onnit was great. He likes life to have community. Definitely go to Onnit. It's an amazing place. Our next one is gonna be Equinox. This is my second choice I would go to if I didn't go with one I have now. So again, stay to the end to see more about that too. And also getting value from this channel. Make sure you subscribe as well. And again, I'm a real estate agent from the top in the whole country. And you want help buying or selling real estate, let us know. Down below in the description, you can book a free call with me, talk about all your goals in real estate, help you get the best deal as fast as possible. I help my clients on average make 5 to 6 extra figures when selling their property within 3 to 5 days if you're on the market, or save my clients 5 to 6 figures when they're buying properties as well. If you want that for yourself, book a free call down below. Happy to help you out. Now, Equinox is amazing. It's definitely a luxury resort kind of gym. Now, the one in Austin, I had some drawbacks of. One, it didn't have a pool. I like pools a lot, or a basketball court. But otherwise, it had everything you could possibly think of. It had, 3 levels of gym equipment. It had a Pilates room, a yoga room, all the weights you can possibly ever need or dream of at the highest level weights out there. Amazing views of downtown Austin, Texas, from South Congress area. So amazing place, parking galore. Place is amazing, and of course, you'll meet high-level people there because they're spending at this level probably $220 a month. On that point as well, you're probably thinking, how much does Onnit cost? Onnit's gonna be around $200 up to $1,000 per month, depending on the package that you use. So in some ways, that is the most expensive gym I found in Austin, Texas, just because you can have a high-level package with more personal training and so forth, which is $1,000 a month. But on the low end, to have all the group classes and the weights and so forth, it's gonna be around $200. Now, Equinox is $220 per month to join their gym. You have access to other gyms as well across the country. I know in places like New York and California, the gyms there are like resorts. So it has the pools and tennis courts and pickleballs and the whole 9 yards. Here in Austin, it's kind of limited. Now, 2 things I love about this gym, other than the people there. One, it has eucalyptus, cold towels you can grab from the refrigerator and use to wipe off your sweats and feel refreshed. This is a nice little touch. And then the locker rooms are immaculate, high-end finishes, has shaving creams, razors, top of the line shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and a lot more. So that gym is, again, high level, amazing amenities from that point of view. And then the steam room is also infused with eucalyptus as well. So your body's gonna be refreshed, open up your pores, help your lungs a lot more. This is why I love that gym. The drawback for me was there's no cold plunges at that place though, which is what my main hunt was. Which leads me to my next gym that I like, number 5, which is Kokomo Westlake. This is a really small gym. It's more, kind of hidden. It's in the Westlake area. Kokomo Wellness is the gym's name. Now, this one does not have a lot of equipment. There is a basketball court. There are some weights there, some free weights as well, but super small, really intimate. The ages of these people, they are probably more, senior. It's gonna be, those trying to have more wellness atmosphere. Now, what I did love about this gym though, it had a cryo bed, it had a red light therapy bed, it had 2 cold plunges, it had a steam room and a sauna. So I was trying to find amazing amenities. So that place had everything and a lot more. This one's more expensive. It's around $300 per month to go to this place, which is definitely a hefty fee. But it had pretty much all you probably ever think of and need in that regards, plus the basketball court, a hiking trail in the back of it. Amazing gym. Now again, based on my preferences, I also want to have a good body at the same time. So that did not work for me all the way, but I was almost sold because it had, the cryo beds and the massage beds and the compression leg shoes thing and a lot more. All your things, about wellness. It's amazing in that regards. But again, the drawback was not much equipment I wanted to use for myself personally. Then our next gym, which is gonna be AC number 6, is gonna be Castle Hill Gym downtown. That gym is pretty nice. It does not have a cold plunge as well though, but it does have a steam room and a sauna. It has a rock wall, some outside gym equipment, and a lot of, equipment as well from all different areas. So that gym is great for that aspect. Now, also, you think it's $200 a month for that one, maybe $170. But the bonus to that is you get 1 free massage every single month for that $170 price. So the massages cost, $50 to $100. So in that regard, it's an amazing deal. Great people was there, super friendly, pretty good parking for the most part. And overall, the gym's great. I only spent like a day there, so I saw it was okay. Not totally for me. I want cold plunges and hot tubs and so forth and pools, which does not have. And then the last gym which I have joined with my wife and my family and so forth is my favorite gym. It is gonna be, kind of high end, not as much as like on it though. This is gonna be at Lifetime Fitness. Lifetime Fitness is around, $200 a month. But the cool thing about Lifetime Fitness is that you have a spouse or a partner, they can join with you for extra $100 a month. Instead of paying $400 a month for the 2 of you, you're paying $300 a month. And then for your kids want to join with you as well. It's only $50 per month per person for a child. And then for your grandparents, extra $80. So much better savings in that regards. They have daycare. There's 2 hours a day for free, which is membership, which is amazing. Daycare by itself can cost more than the $50 you spend a month for them to be at the gym already, which is amazing. But more than that, it has a cafe with amazing food. Try out the quesadilla. It is amazing and packed full of protein. It has a salon there. It has a chiropractor there. It has a massage therapist there. All high-end equipment. 2 different levels of it. It has a huge pool, indoor and outdoor. It has 2 hot tubs, 1 cold plunge coming soon, which caught my attention. Right now I don't have it, but it will be there eventually. It has, activities, pickleball, basketball courts, a rock wall, list goes on. Upstairs, I go to the south location. It's gonna have, a massage bed, has a cryo bed, has compression leg sleeves, stretching areas, has tons of classes, more you can think of, from Pilates to yoga to alpha classes to choreographed dancing classes, boxing classes, running classes, classes and classes and classes. Tons of classes. I do the alpha class and ultra fit class, some other stuff as well, which has been amazing for my goals. People there are super friendly. Again, I can go on about Lifetime Fitness forever. By far is my lifetime gym now for my family and for myself. It has it all. So quick recap, there were 7 gyms that I have found in Austin, Texas. There are probably some more out there, but these are the 7 I think are probably the best in my opinion. From most affordable to the most high end. It's gonna be Planet Fitness, $10 a month. Then you have Gold's Gym for around $30 a month. Lifetime Fitness around $50, maybe $80 a month, depending on what level you go into. Then you have On It, which is kind of the highest end in terms of price point, but not in terms of luxury and amenities. That's $200 to $1,000. Then you have Equinox, which again is my 7th favorite gym here in Austin, Texas. Maybe one day I'll have both memberships. Doubt it, but maybe, just because I like the atmosphere there. You have Kokomo and Wellness in Westlake, which is the next one. This is number 6. And finally, number 7, the best gym in my opinion of them all is Lifetime Fitness. Again, Lifetime has everything from hot tubs, pools, sauna, weights classes, amazing people, food, massages, list goes on. Huge parking lot, and what's nice as well for me, I'm up at 4 o'clock in the morning, a little earlier than that, every single day, Monday through Sunday. Now, Lifetime opens at 4 o'clock in the morning, Monday through Friday, and 5 a.m. Saturday and Sunday. So for my schedule, being up super early, it's booked out perfectly. The other gyms, most of them open at 5 o'clock Monday through Friday, which is fine because like the classes now I do, they're at 6 a.m. But some days I go there even earlier than that, like 4:30, 5 o'clock. Pick a gym that you think is best for you. They are amazing. There's no affiliate links down below. I just love sharing to you guys all the best things around Austin, Texas. Hope you have a better living experience while you're here. Again, as a real estate agent, I'm gonna help you in all regards, not just buying and selling real estate, but a lifestyle as well. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, give us a like, share it to your friends. And again, what is your favorite gym? Down below in the comment section, let me know. And again, make sure you book a free call with me and hope buying or selling real estate. As always, you're the best, and I'll see you guys at the top.